Solar panels work by converting sunlight into electrical energy. The process by which this happens is called the photovoltaic effect. Solar panels are made up of many small units called photovoltaic (PV) cells, which are typically made of silicon. When sunlight shines on a PV cell, it excites the electrons in the silicon, causing them to move and creating an electrical current. This process is similar to what happens in a battery, but instead of using chemicals to create electricity, it uses sunlight. The electrical current generated by the PV cells is direct current, DC, which is not compatible with the alternating current, AC, that is used in homes and businesses. To make the electricity usable, it must be converted from DC to AC using an inverter. The amount of electricity that a solar panel can generate depends on the size of the panel and the amount of sunlight it receives. Solar